Hello friends, Erica Simone here from Color Their World. First and foremost, I would like to thank all of our followers and subscribers for submitting their suggestions for books that they would like us to read on our channel. Now, the book we are reading today is called The Proudest Blue. It was written by Ibtihaj Muhammad, who is an Olympic medalist, by the way. We'd like to thank Cream City Teacher for suggesting this book to us. Now, as some of you may be aware, Ramadan is celebrated by Muslims. It's set aside as a time for spiritual reflection. It's also scheduled to end this year on May the 12th. Why don't we sit back, relax, and let's read of the importance of standing up for yourself.
The Proudest Blue, written by Olympic medalist Ibtihaj Muhammad, art by Hatem Ali. Mama holds out the pink. Mama loves pink. But Asya shakes her head. I know why. Behind the counter is the brightest blue, the color of the ocean. If you squint your eyes and pretend there's no line between the water and the sky. It's the first day hijab. Asya knows it. I know it. We're sisters. The next day, I wait. A new backpack, new light-up shoes. I feel special. I feel like twirling. Asya comes out of the house, and I stop. It's the most beautiful first day of school ever. I'm walking with a princess, so I pretend I'm one too. But even princesses have to stop to cross the street. Asya takes my hand in hers, says, "Come on, Faiza." We speed walk it. 14 steps, 14 light-ups to get across. Asya takes me to my first line, hugs me goodbye. I turn to watch her leave. Give her a little curtsy to the princess going to the 6th grade area. She's easy to see. Her hijab smiles at me the whole way. My first day hijab is going to be blue too. What's that on your sister's head? The girl in front of me whispers. A scarf, I whisper back. I don't know why a whisper came out. I try again, louder now. A scarf, hijab. Oh, she whispers. Asya's hijab isn't a whisper. Asya's hijab is like the sky on a sunny day. The sky isn't a whisper. It's always there. Special and regular. The first day of wearing hijab is important, Mama had said. It means being strong. I turn, but I can't see the blue anymore. I turn to the big kid's side. 27 steps to see Asya. I need to give her another hug. I need to see her smile. Faiza? Asya's eyes wonder why I'm here. Are you excited? I ask. About the first day of hijab? She nods, smiling big, and I feel better. Someone laughs from nearby. A boy pointing at Asya. Why? Asya's hijab isn't a laugh. Asya's hijab is like the ocean waving to the sky. It's always there, strong and friendly. Some people won't understand your hijab, Mama had said. But if you understand who you are, one day they will too. In class, I draw a picture. 2 princesses in hijab having a picnic on an island where the ocean meets the sky. The girl who whispered in line says she likes it. She says it so loud, the teacher comes over to see it. I wonder if Asya drew a picture too. Recess time is for 5 cartwheels in a row. I land the last one near the 6th graders, near Asya and her friends, near a boy yelling, "I'm going to pull that tablecloth off your head." Asya's hijab isn't a tablecloth. Asya's hijab is blue. only blue. Asya turns away. Her friends turn away. They race to the middle of the schoolyard, their shoes pounding the pavement, playing tag. Mama, don't carry around the hurtful words that others say. Drop them. They are not yours to keep. They belong only to those who said them. It takes me 48 steps to get away from the yelling boy. After school, I look around. I look for whispers, laughs, and shouts. But I only see Asya waiting for me, like it's a regular day. She's smiling, strong. We cross the road hand in hand. I can't wait to get home to show Mama the picture I drew, to show Asya that I'm wearing the same hijab in it. Because Asya's hijab is like the ocean and the sky, no line between them, saying hello with a loud wave, saying I'll always be here like sisters, like me and Asya.
Thank you so much for listening to today's reading. Be sure to check out our colorful activity on Wednesday. Like, comment, and subscribe.